It's been a couple of weeks since we've installed these hue lights and this hue dial 4-button switch, and I just wanted to show you some of the fun things that I've been able to set up and how I live with it. I tried a bunch of different things, and it's been really fun to be able to set different scenes, and I use it every single day for these different scenes. And so I'm excited to kind of show you what those look like. Button number 1 I set up as natural light, and this one is time-based, so it changes throughout the day based off of the light outside. If we press button number 2 once, it does the Peloton bike. If we press it a second time, it does the Peloton tread. If we press it a third time, it goes to reading. And if we press it a 4th time, it goes to relax. I made button number 3 control only one thing. It controls the desk lamp. So I'll just hit it once, it turns on the desk lamp. I hold it, it turns off the desk lamp. Number 4 is the one that I think is a lot of fun. Number 4 has a bunch of the preset hue scenes from the hue scene gallery, and it'll just cycle through them. So that's what we've got for you. I hope you enjoyed it. I'd love to hear how you use your hue lights and how you use them to improve your living experience. Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ding that button. Can't wait to show you some more.